Hey guys, this is Tony with Geek Designs. Today I'm back with another video. Today I want to talk about how do we make QR codes in Affinity. If you've used any type of kind of print design in the last, I would say at least 5 years, in America specifically, QR codes have really picked up. QR codes are a little bit of an older technology. I remember them starting to pick up traction in college, which at this point was, 10 years ago? More than 10 years at this point, but we started having them exposed to us at that point. But it didn't really click in America for some reason. But now we've really got traction of QR codes being used a lot. They're used on business cards. They're used in restaurants for menus, for nutrition facts, used in trade shows for you to fill out a form and stuff. They're a very flexible tool. Basically, it's a printable URL code. A printable URL code or a printable link that you can have someone scan on their phone and send them somewhere. If you learn something, if you like something, like and subscribe, and let's just hop into it. Alright, here we are in Affinity. The good thing about Affinity, it has a built-in QR code tool into it. So let's go over to our shape tool. And over in our shape tool, we'll have all our options come here. Down here, we actually have a QR code tool. So let's make our QR code. The great thing is, now that we have this made, we can still edit this. We can still create it. If you don't know what a QR code actually works like, let's make this black so you can actually see what it looks like. A QR code, all this data or all this weird shape crap, this is the data. This is your link. So if we go up here while we have our tool selected, we now have the edit QR code tool panel up. So we have some different stuff we can do to this. We can have a text, we can have a URL, phone, SMS, email, location, Wi-Fi, vCard, data merge. We have all these options we can choose to put in these. So for this one, we're going to use URL. We're going to do innergeekdesigns.com. As you saw as I was typing, it's actually changing this and adding the data into it. And then we'll just hit OK. And that's how we make a QR code. Pretty straightforward and pretty simple. So let's say that you just you're done with this, you're happy with this, you want to just say you're good. If you hit this little button here, it'll export it as a curve now, or a polyline. So now it's just a shape, it's an object. You can't go back to editing. Let's undo and hit Control-Z. So we can at least keep this so we can edit it. We know it's editable because down our layers it says QR code. So that lets us know this is still an editable object. A pretty short video, but I hope you learned something. I hope you got something out of this. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.